Everyone, before we get into today's update, we need to talk about a few key points. First, we'll talk about how XRP is down to about 3678 level, how we had a flash drop of 6.9% yesterday in XRP in 30 minutes. We talked about the flash drop for several days before it happened, so I hope everybody was prepared properly. We'll talk about one very key thing this morning. We need to go over how Silvergate allegedly is going to bail out, or Citadel is going to bail out Silvergate, the bank that deals with most crypto in the USA, and that was part of the reason that spurred on a drop yesterday. So we'll see exactly what's going on there, because if they do bail out Silvergate, if Citadel does, that's a major move right there. The Dow is up 80 points, S&P's up 16, Nasdaq's up 57 this morning. So that's what we're looking at very closely. We've got Bitcoin down better than 1,000 on the day. So it's a very volatile day, but we need to see exactly what's going on with Citadel and if they're really going to buy or help out Silvergate Bank, as there's the issue of them going insolvent. They don't have enough money. They haven't paid their bills. So that's a major story that we have to get on top of. We'll also look at the daily XRP technical analysis. We'll look at the total crypto market cap, how it's sitting just at the 990 billion mark on the resistance side right now after it fell through. So we're going to see if that holds up as well. This is some warnings that we've been talking about for several days and several weeks, and it finally came to fruition last night. Make sure to hit that like button, as it will greatly push me through the analytics as we start this morning's update. So please hit that like button as I play the intro and sit back and relax, because this is an update you cannot afford to miss. Good morning, 9:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Friday, March 3rd, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. As we can see, the Dow Jones, well, the S&P and the Dow's up 75, S&P's up 17. U.S. dollar currency index is at 104.763, under a tiny bit of pressure this morning, but nothing out of the realm of normal. We've got this uptrending support on this ascending triangle breakout. That is at about 104.667. So right now we're just above that support we need to hold. And if we hold this, we're looking to try to break out past 105.303. Twice so far we haven't been able to get above it. We're trying to consolidate here, and if we do, we'll end up finding our way up to 106.20. That's what we're looking at with the U.S. dollar currency index. But we need to focus on, first, the total crypto market cap sitting at 990 billion. We talked about this for the better part of several days. Once it got rejected at 1.095 and then ended up getting below 1.049, we even said there's no other way but coming back and trying to see this multi-year trend line. Can we hold 990 billion? As of right now, we fell through, went down to about 973 billion, came right back up. But now, if you look at this, if we do get rejected here, this would be head-on rejection. So we need to break up. And XRP needs to get past the 20-day, or total crypto market cap needs to get past the 20-day at 991 and push its way back up. As of right now, if you see us get below 990 billion again, that's a very bearish signal. The next drop on this bear flag would be down to 940.48 billion, on our way ultimately to 892 billion. So we need to watch this very closely, because once you break that, that's when you get the several hundred billion drop. So we're down to our last two support levels before a major drop. We've got Bitcoin sitting down 1,070 points this morning, or 4.56%, down to 22,396. We talked yesterday, after we lost the major uptrend, we talked about once we broke this last uptrend and couldn't get back over it, and we tried here, we would come all the way down to 21,965. I didn't care about any area in between, and now you see why. As I always say, where X marks the spot, and this marked an X right here at 21,956, and what did we do? We came right down to this uptrending support. So now if we lose 21,900, we'll say our next target's going to be 20,965. This is getting ugly now, folks. If this forms this topping reversal like it looks like, we need to lose this last part at 21,965, and this turns very bearish. XRP sitting at 0.3675, down 2.55% on the day. It had a catastrophic drop that liquidated a lot down to 3518. We just nearly missed our 35. Well, we hit our 352 support down here that we can fill in now. That's S. This morning we'll talk about this. So S1 this morning is 362. S2 is 352. S3 is 347. R1 we're up to right now. We hit once at 3696. R2 is 377. R3 is 3851. So right now, if this is very bearish, we'll get a rejection at 3696 and likely push farther down as we're retesting this low drop point here where it was support. Now it's using it as resistance, and this is a classic example of how we flip a support into resistance if this gets rejected. And then it would likely push down to 362, 352, and then ultimately push down to probably this 347 level. What we need to see right now, the key thing this morning is, does 3696 give us the rejection? And can we push further down and re-break 362? Right now we're in a trading range between 362 and 3696 until we either fall below that support at 362 or break above the resistance at 3696. The chart above shows exactly what we're doing. I still feel like we're in this falling channel, and it's proven us right so far. As we know, we've hit resistance 1, support 1, resistance 2, support 2, resistance 3 over here, support 3 and 4, and now we look like we're coming back down to support again. So that's what I'm looking at in the immediate short term. And then if we take this out into the grand pattern, we can see we still have a little bit of room left here. We don't have to worry really until we break this 338 level. We've said 333, but as we move up on the uptrending support, it's up to about 33. We'll say 338. So you break the 338. That is a massive uptrend that goes back to 2020. And this is the all-time pattern, which is why I like to show it. Once you lose the 338, the next one is the 2017 uptrend at about 18.7. And if you lose that, the 2013 uptrend is at 0.1481. If we bring this out into a bigger pattern so you can see the all-time patterns, let's put this in the weekly. This is what we're looking at. So if we were to break up here, we can acknowledge that we could come all the way up to that 84 cent, 85 cent mark and still be within a much wider pattern if we draw this all the way across. So there's a lot of things that can happen, but if we lose this level of support at 338, 0.188, 0.186 level is the next uptrend at around 2017. So we have to pay very close attention. It's not so cut and dry now, is it? Now, what I was talking about Silvergate, the last thing we'll get into this morning. So this is breaking. Citadel to rescue Silvergate, and this came out 15 minutes ago. Citadel to rescue Silvergate from fund crisis. Here's why. Silvergate Citadel crypto news. Citadel Securities, which already owns stake in the U.S. bank, could come to the rescue of crypto market. Silvergate Citadel crypto news. Amid all the FUD around potential bankruptcy risk around Silvergate Capital, Citadel Securities, which already owns stake in the U.S. bank, could come to the rescue. It would be a massive relief for the crypto market if this goes on to be true. Although the information is not official yet, it is rumored that Citadel would pump some capital to rescue the U.S. bank, which is highly important for the crypto ecosystems, health in the United States. However, it remains to be seen if the investment would bring out immediate results from the bank. So this is speculation right now, but I wanted to bring it to you in case this ends up being true. This is just some of the underground news going on right now. Back alley deals. Silvergate Citadel new deal in the making. According to Andrew on Twitter, Citadel could likely invest more funds to bail Silvergate out of the liquidity crisis. He said the investments would be focused on filling the gaps for Silvergate. The rumors come at a time when the cryptocurrency price took an instant hit due to the FUD around the Silvergate crisis. Major crypto companies, including Coinbase and MicroStrategy, had already announced cutting ties with the bank, owing to Silvergate's hints on risk to its ability to operate going forward. And MicroStrategy has loans that are due in 2025, and they don't think that this is going to affect them. Internal rumors at Silvergate that Citadel could step up and bail them out. Cash infusion where capital shortfalls exist. And then why it makes sense. Citadel Securities, the world's largest market maker with presence in over 50 countries, already owns 5.5% stake in Silvergate Bank. Hence, it would only be logical to assume it wants to increase its equity stake in the bank. Meanwhile, Bitcoin price is yet to show any signs of recovery after it fell sharply as the news sent negative sentiment across the market. The crypto bloodbath on Thursday came following what came as the biggest negative event for crypto markets so far in 2023. Make sure to hit that like button. If you got anything out of this update, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button as we went over 15,600 subscribers on our way up to 16,000 subscribers. I would encourage you to also hit that like button to get as many people as possible pushing through the analytics, and then more people can see this channel. I challenge you to share this update on your social media so your friends and family can see this for the first time. And if you want to trade crypto like I do using BitGet and or MEXC with no spot fees on the buy or sell in the USA, the video description is in the link below, or the link is in the video description below, and also the pinned comment below. And if you want to join Tom's Army, which I highly encourage to show some support, that is in the video description and the pinned comments as well. Hashtag be better, do better. Hashtag FUD Assassins. And remember, help one person each and every day. Because if I don't do my part and you don't do your part, what the hell is the point in this greater journey to 2025? Ladies and gentlemen, the sunny days are here again. Oh, sunny days. Oh, what a day. Oh, sunny days. Oh, what a day. I wear glasses 'cause I'm so cool. I can predict the charts. Happy days. Oh, happy days. Oh, what a day. Oh, happy days. Oh, what a day. XRP will reign supreme. Let's just not get caught in the FUD. Oh, we're gonna crash and we have and we will and we can and we didn't. Oh no, it wasn't predicted. Oh yeah, it can't happen. Oh no, we're just gonna pump because we're in a bull market. Oh yeah, stay true, stay blessed. I guess the crash yesterday didn't matter because it was just a simple drop and it's nothing. Oh no, stay true.